Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best non-stick cupcake liners is probably one of the most sought-after baking tools for home bakers and professionals alike, promising perfectly formed, easily removable cupcakes every time. But with so many brands and types available, how do you choose the best one for your needs? In this video, we will review several top-rated non-stick cupcake liners, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision and achieve consistently delicious results. Number 5. Eoonfirst Standard Baking Cups. These baking cups are made with 40G food-grade paper and water-based ink, ensuring they're safe and odorless for your baking needs. They're perfect for cupcakes and so much more. With a standard size of 5 cm bottom diameter and 3.25 cm height, they're ideal for all your baking creations. This pack includes 200 pieces, providing plenty for all your baking projects. It's made of food-grade greaseproof paper, ensuring your baked goods stay fresh and delicious. The water-based ink is free from harmful chemicals, keeping your health in mind. They come in a convenient PET cylindrical box, making them easy to store and select. This keeps them protected and organized until you're ready to use them. These baking cups are perfect for cupcakes, but also great for cake balls, candies, and more. They'll add a touch of elegance to any occasion. From birthdays and weddings to holidays and themed parties, these versatile liners are the perfect addition to any celebration. Elevate your baking with their simple elegance. What we like. These cupcake liners are made with water-based ink, free of harmful chemicals and odor. They are a healthy and eco-friendly choice for baking. If you prioritize health and sustainability, and need a large quantity, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. These are a little bigger than the store liners, which is really nice. They are a little tough to get apart, so you have to be gentle. Keeps color after baking. Very nice. Really nice results with these. Removed cleanly from my blueberry muffins. Number 4. Gifbera Candy White Cupcake Liners. These cupcake liners have a fun sprinkle design. They'll dress up your cupcakes for any family event or party. Made from the safest food-grade material, it's odorless, non-toxic, and the color won't fade. You get 200 standard-size liners. They measure 5 cm at the base, 7.5 cm at the top, and are 3 cm tall, fitting standard tins perfectly. They can withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Use them in the oven, microwave, or refrigerator with confidence. Ideal for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, holidays, or any celebration. Your guests will appreciate the easy cleanup. What we like. With a fun sprinkle design, these liners add a festive touch to your cupcakes. They're made of safe, food-grade material, ensuring no odor or color fading. If you're looking to elevate the look of your baked goods for parties and events, these are perfect for you. What people say. I was looking for muffin liners that stated they were out of free, and they were. The price was great and arrived very quickly. They fit into my muffin pans and baked well, and when I removed them, the muffins came out perfectly. Great product. Love the design, kept shape when filled, very easy to use and separate. These liners are not only resilient, they are almost foolproof. The attractive decorations make them perfect for any occasion, and I now only use them for all of my baking liners. Number 3. Caperci Standard Cupcake Liners. These liners are perfect for baking delicious cupcakes and muffins. They're made from food-grade material, ensuring a safe and worry-free baking experience. With 500 liners in each pack, you'll always have plenty on hand for all your baking projects. They're great for cupcakes, muffins, and even nuts. These liners fit standard muffin tins perfectly. The top measures 7 cm, the bottom 5 cm, and the height is 3 cm. They can withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for both oven and microwave use. They're also refrigerator safe. Elevate your cupcakes for weddings, birthdays, or any celebration. These high-quality liners will make your treats look professional. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a worry-free purchase with our 12-month warranty and unconditional replacement guarantee. What we like. This bulk pack offers incredible value with 500 liners. Made from food-grade material, they are safe and reliable for all your baking needs. If you bake frequently and need a large supply of dependable liners, this is your best bet. What people say. Worked perfectly. A basic paper cupcake cup. Preformed as expected. I'm so happy with these cupcake liners. I love the simple brown color and how it doesn't distract the eye from the actual cupcakes they are holding. Besides cupcakes, I also use them as an easy mess-free way to evenly coat cake tins with oil, using one to cover the tips of my fingers and spread the oil over the surface of the tin. Good price and perfect for muffin tins. Number 2. Gifbera Rose Gold Foil Cupcake Liners. Introducing elegant rose gold cupcake liners, perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your baked goods. These liners are ideal for weddings, birthdays, or any special occasion. With a generous 200 count, you'll have plenty of liners for all your baking needs. They're perfect for large parties or for baking throughout the year. These 2-inch liners fit standard muffin and cupcake tins. They make cleanup a breeze, leaving you with more time to enjoy your creations. Made from heavy-duty, food-grade foil, they are sturdy and environmentally friendly. They're also easy to separate and won't tear easily. The convenient PET plastic packaging makes it easy to select, protect, and store these liners. They're always ready when you are. From weddings and birthdays to Christmas and anniversaries, they'll add a touch of elegance to any celebration. Dress up your cupcakes and muffins quickly and easily. What we like. These rose gold foil liners add a touch of elegance to any occasion. They are sturdy and easy to use, making them perfect for weddings or special celebrations. If you are looking for a sophisticated look for your cupcakes, this is the option for you. What people say. I've purchased these cupcake wrappers over 20 times for my small business, so I've really tested them out. Overall, they work great for me. They look super professional, they're very sturdy, and they give an added touch of professionalism I love for my cupcakes. I bought these to make cupcakes for a bridal shower. They are the perfect color, and the chocolate cake, the bride's favorite, did not show through the liners, as they did with the white liners that I initially tried. Foil did not stick to pans and color did not transfer like other reviews mentioned. I had no problems. They worked as expected. Number 1. Baker's Signature Tulip Cupcake Liners. These elegant tulip-shaped liners add a beautiful touch to your cupcakes and muffins. They're pre-cut and ready to use, saving you time and effort. The liners come in a convenient box for easy storage. Their size fits standard muffin tins perfectly, holding up to 3 ounces of batter. They're perfect for everyday baking or special events like weddings, birthdays, or holidays. They're also great for all your favorite recipes. These grease-resistant, waterproof liners won't tear or leak. They can withstand high temperatures, ensuring perfectly baked treats every time. Made from 100% natural wood pulp, they're a healthier alternative to quillen-based products. Cleanup is also a breeze. We're confident you'll love these liners. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make things right. Order yours today. What we like. These tulip-shaped liners add a beautiful touch to your baked goods. They are sturdy, greaseproof, and easy to use. If you appreciate a beautiful presentation and easy cleanup, these are a great choice for you. What people say. They are sturdy. Due to their heights, there's never any spillage if you overfill. The paper releases the muffins easily. These worked great in my standard cupcake tray. Made for a pretty display, I used the green, pink, and yellow liners. They're very easy to unwrap, which I like. Exactly as described. Needed them for cupcakes for a baby shower, and they were so cute. They held their shape when baked and no grease marks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.